Say hi, guys. Hi. Hi, people of the Philippines. Say hi, kuya.
Yung mic.
Oo.
Hello.
Hi guys, we're up here sa babaw sang jeep. May maganyan din si Rizal sa dalaw.
Ayan na ikaw, first time eh.
Ha?
Ayan naman ikaw, first time.
Gahike man sa China. Say hi. Oh my God! Balik na mo kami din! We're here! Loves ko din! Hi! How's the feeling riding a jeepney?
Yes, like
Filipino style.
Finally we are survived.
Hi sa 20 ka beginners. Hi din beginners. Oh, may timer. 3 to 1. Ah, kay may palm. Okay. Beginners. Beginners. Hari na. Ha? Ah. Okay. Sige. Kita mo nahalog siya. Record duration has been set to 5 minutes. Ang boto sila nag-set. Fuck, Lord. There's Lady. And then Kazel struggling her life. And then here's Sarah also struggling her life. We're all struggling here because look at the road that we're going through. It's not something that a girl could... My God. Okay. Hi guys. Sige lang guys, mamangga ko pa tayo.
You will know it one day. Thanks. Wow. Sarah, you're strong.
Kalain na yun. Tintik rin. Weather ang clearing guys. Okay, sundan to tong ang una. Enggak. Point 5. Oh, pwede. Dala.
Si Manang Ar nag-adtoron balik.
Abaw.
Okay, so manaog na ta. So how's the experience being on the top of this Mount Tambara?
Oo.
So dangerous, but we survived.
Wow!
Not yet.
How's your experience here? This is your first hike.
Yes.
How about you? How's your experience? So bad kay ipatanonin Sarah and Tita
Lady.
Inaanak, this is your titas.
Support naman ka na. Mababata ka na?
Kambal. May jeep dapat. Pakadto sa Giritsan. Pag naog naman halin sa Tambara, kagina pa kami diya.
Nag-run sa'yo.
Pero wala na sa jeep. Sorry, galakat-lakat kami naman nga 5. Oh? Happy? Di sa baby ko niya.
Ay, benang pero puruli. Ayaw niya makamatama.
Guys. Sorry. Oh my God. What is it? Oh my God. For memories. Case cut yan eh.
Oy, dala pinggan, ma'am.
As in, ako'y...
Ah, rayo.
Julius, may bilhin pa to?
Here again. How's the experience, guys? How's the experience?
I almost die.
How's the experience? How's the experience?
Double brand entrance. Kubla sa mga ano. Oo, may pa. Konfetti, may... Sana, iban masakit.
Sumunod sa sex ba?
Okay. You want me to have you?
No, it's okay. Pa-short lang ko.
Dito na ko may likuhan kay wala ko ano kay di ba siot pa na o ma-short ka pa? Ha? Ma-short ka siot.
Ayo.
Siot pa.
Short, dili ako.